In this video, I'll guide you through how to link Bank of America to Chime. Whether you're new to online banking or just looking to simplify your financial management, connecting your accounts can make transactions seamless and save you time. So let's dive right in and get started with the process. First things first, grab your mobile device and open the Chime app. If you're not logged in already, make sure to do so. Once you're on the home screen, you'll want to scroll down until you see the option that says Connect Your Account. Go ahead and tap on that. This feature is designed to help you manage all your financial accounts in one place, making it easier to keep track of your money. Now, after tapping Connect Your Accounts, the next step is to tap Link External Account. You'll be presented with a couple of options here, but you'll want to select Bank Account. Once you've done that, hit Continue to proceed to the next screen. At this point, you'll need to search for Bank of America. You should see a list of popular banks, but if it's not immediately visible, use the search bar to find Bank of America. Select it once it appears. This will prompt a secure connection to your Bank of America account. It's important to note that this process is secure and your information is protected. You'll then be asked to log in using your Bank of America username and password. Enter your credentials carefully. This step is crucial since it ensures that Chime can access your account details securely. If you have two-factor authentication set up, you might be asked to verify your identity, so keep your phone or any other device you use for verification handy. Complete any verification steps that are required. This might involve entering a code sent to your phone or email, so be sure to follow the instructions carefully. Verification is an extra layer of security to protect your accounts from unauthorized access. Once all the steps are completed successfully, your Bank of America account will be linked to Chime. You should receive a confirmation message, and you'll be able to see your Bank of America account listed in the Chime app. This means you can now transfer funds between your accounts easily and manage your finances more effectively. And that's it. That's how you link Bank of America to Chime. By connecting your accounts, you can streamline your banking experience and have a clearer overview of your finances right from your Chime app. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on managing your money. Thank you for watching, and happy banking.